What's good, Faves? It's Fave, Miss Renee. I am back, y'all, with another cooking segment in the kitchen, cooking with Fave, coming up right now.
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder, I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving, I'm a survivor.
Okay, y'all, so listen, this recipe is very, very quick and very, very easy, but oh so delicious. Okay, deliciosus. I think I said it right. I don't know. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. Anyway, let me get started with this. It is so easy, you guys. This recipe is a loaded shrimp baked potato. A loaded shrimp baked potato. Y'all, when I tell you your family is going to love you for this. Your family is going to thank you for this. Your family's going to be like, oh, mama, thank you. Your husband's going to say, oh, baby, thank you. And you're going to be like, you're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. You okay? Did you enjoy yourself? Was it good? So you're going to love it. Okay, so this is really, really easy. Let me show you what we're working with. Oh, no. Let me tell you that I have already cleaned the potatoes. I have already poked holes in the potatoes. I have already put the oil around the potatoes. Now I'm going to massage the oil in. So you guys, I have already went on ahead and cleaned the potatoes, poked holes in the potatoes, and now I have oiled them up really nice and good. And now I'm going to go on ahead and season them, put the salt all around them, and then put them into, now this is the salt that I'm going to be using here, and then I'm going to fold them into these pieces of foil and go ahead and put them in the oven. So hang tight. Okay, guys, so let's start with the magic, okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We're going to salt up each potato, the peeling of each potato, the outside. And then we're just going to wrap them up into this foil, get them ready for the oven. When I tell you your family is in for a rare treat, and this is quick and easy, girl. Now that I've got these little puppies seasoned, salted, oiled, wrapped, and holes poked in, they are going directly in the oven on the rack. No cookie sheet, just straight on the rack, okay? Okay, ladies, so the first thing we're going to do is get this yellow onion and get it peeled and cut and then diced. Real easy. And then I'm going to take about a tablespoon to maybe 2 tablespoons of butter, put it in the skillet and add that onion in. And then I'm going to add those puppies in, those shrimp. Oh my God, you guys. And let everything just marinate together. I also put some chopped garlic and some heavy whipping cream and some Asiago cheese. And then bring that to a nice simmer. And look how delicious that cheese is. Now the potatoes are ready. So I'm just going to add a little bit of extra seasoning to the potato itself. Put a little pat of butter down in there. And then I'm going to make sure that all of those potatoes get evenly buttered. And then I'm going to just go ahead and add some already shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Y'all know I love sharp cheddar, right? And then we're going to load these potatoes up one at a time. And here we go. Dinner is served. You guys, they are going to love you for this delicious, warm, and oh so good loaded shrimp baked potato. Enjoy.
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder, I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving, I'm a survivor.